My screen share has ended.
Are you there now?
No, I can't see your screen.
No, because you weren't responding to anything I was saying.
Okay,
So
no,
I
I was
ended the
just
screen share.
no. I was just looking at.
No, well, I needed to hear you to know you were there, so I ended it.
Okay, no. Actually, you were doing it correctly, so I was not saying anything. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello?
Yes. Okay. Yeah. All three are correct.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. This is correct. This is okay.
One second.
Okay. So it will be negative 85.
Wait, give me a second.
Okay. See, inside it will be positive 5.5. 6 minus zero point 0.5 will give you positive 5.5. And second, part B. Yes, so answer will be negatively something.
Oh, so she was there like 10 minutes ago.
Wait, your answer is minus 40.75. Okay, so when you put 5 plus 5 is... Okay, 8.5, yeah, that's it. Okay, you can solve the next one. Okay. So, wait a minute. These two are correct, but for the last one, it's 0.25. So 3 multiplied by 0.25 is... Okay, 0.75 minus 0.5 minus 5.75. See, it's when you're subtracting 0.75 minus 5, you'll get 4 point minus 4.25. Like
What?
for C, part C, it's 0.25, right? So 3x minus 5, 3 multiplied by 0.25 will give you 0.75 minus 5. So 0.75 minus 5 is minus 4.25. We have added instead of subtracting the
Okay.
denominator. This one, the
So
denominator.
it's 4.25.
Yes. That's Okay, wait a minute. These are the composite functions, like if you remember that we were doing last time, right?
We probably did, yeah.
Yes. So you have to solve them like little bit different. Is that I have to explain you. So leave that this as of now. We'll move on to the composite function, but as of now, we have to do the simple function.
So we don't do question number?
So I'm uploading more questions, but on simple function. First you practice simple
Well,
function,
can we
then
do it on the complicated functions instead?
yeah. Okay, so we can. Okay, so let me explain you first. Okay, let me. So actually, why I was not preferring to clear you this function is that so that you should know exactly the function is. But let me tell you how to solve this one.
I must have go. Me? Me?
See, when the two different functions are given, hello. Hello.
Hello?
Yes. When two different functions are given, previously we were talking, we were doing only one function. But when two different functions are given, then suppose this is 2x plus 3 and this is 4x. And the question is calculate f g x. Okay. So what we were doing, it's always if f1, that means we have to put x equals 1. Okay. If f minus 3, that means we have to put x equals minus 3. Same as if it's fgx, that means we have to put x equals gx. Okay. So in this equation, put x equals gx. So it will be 2 multiplied by gx plus 3. Is this clear?
Could you do it one more time?
Okay. See, if fx is given, two different functions are given, fx and gx. Okay. If we put f1, if it's given like you have to put f1, so what we do, it's x equals 1. If I have minus 3, that means we have to put x equals minus 3. Same as if the question is fgx, that means we have to put x equals gx, right, in this equation. So it will become fx equals 2 multiplied by gx plus 3. Is this clear? Hello?
Kind of. I think we're gonna have to do more questions for me to understand it properly.
Sorry?
We're gonna have to do more questions for me to understand it
Yeah,
properly.
that's why I was not prepping. Okay, so just let me upload a PDF, okay? Till then, we'll solve this one.
Oh, we're doing the composite function one. No, I said to do the other ones, not the easy ones.
Okay,
There's
so
no point in me doing the easy ones if I understand them.
solve this one.
Well, what's the point of me doing the easy ones if I understand them?
Okay, it's f minus a that you have to do.
No, I don't think you're understanding. I said I wanted to do the ones that I didn't quite understand rather than the ones I do
Yes,
understand.
actually I'm uploading a PDF. Okay, that's all.
Okay, well, you still wrote out the question and you still waited for me to answer it.
Okay, because for the composite function it's necessary to understand this one. That's why I'm giving you this question. If you want to understand composite function, you should know how to calculate fa. Is this clear? Then you will be able to understand how to do the composite functions. To solve this one, then you can easily understand the composite functions.
Okay, well, what does this say then?
It's fa. So leave that I've just written it over here.
F equals A. I don't like using this board. Can you? It doesn't let me write properly all the time. It's annoying.
If you try this one, from the next you can take the questions on your book.
This isn't my final answer, by the way. I don't know what I'm doing, so I've got that.
Okay, wait a minute. Let me explain you. It's fa, which means you just have to put x equals a. Okay?
Yeah, well, you could have told me that at the start.
Right?
Nothing.
And I don't understand why it's x plus 1. Why?
Because I tried solving it because I didn't know how to do it.
Yeah,
Maybe.
but if you solve this, you're not going to get x plus 1. Okay? Even like if you try to rationalize it
Well,
or simplify it, x plus 1 is not the correct answer. You just. Are you writing something? Hello?
uh,
Yes. So, okay, so what you have to do, just put x equals a in this equation, right? So it will become 2a minus 3 over a minus 3. Clear? Is this clear?
yeah.
Same as if the question is given as, it's the same. It's 2x fx is equals to 2x plus 3, and you have to find f gx, right?
Right.
So what you do, you just have to put gx in the same manner like what we were doing. We were just putting x equals a, so same we have to do x equals gx, right?
Right.
Is this clear? Hello?
Kind of.
See, whatever inside this small bracket, whatever, like it's gx, fx or anything, you have to put x equals to that value. Is this clear? Even if it's written as f minus gx whole square, but it's inside this bracket of f, that means x is equals to minus gx squared. Is this clear? So whatever be inside this small bracket or this bracket, that is always equals to x. Okay, that means in place of x I have to write gx. So it's 2 multiplied by gx plus 3. Is this clear?
Yeah.
And if gx is given to you as 3x, then just in place of gx we have to write 3x. We are just replacing because gx is actually 3x. So that's why in place of gx I'm writing 3x. So it's 2 multiplied by 3x plus 3. That means answer is 6x plus 3. Is this one clear?
Kind of.
Okay. You just go through it once more. I'm just repeating. The first is there are two functions given to you, that is fx and gx. Why they are the functions? Because they both are dependent on x. But the values are different because one is 2x plus 3 and another is 3x. Since they both are dependent on x, but the value is different. F gx or gfx, which means you have to merge these two functions. So fx equals to x plus 3. So very first important thing is if it's given as calculate f gx, so I've told you whatever be inside this bracket, you have to put that equals to x. So x equals gx. Okay. So what you have to do, in place of x just write gx. So I've written 2 multiplied by gx plus 3. But the value of gx is also given to us, which is 3x. So in place of 3x, gx, I have to write 3x, and ultimately I get this answer. Is this clear?
So you have to find gx to get your final answer.
Yes, that's known as concept function. You see
And do
this?
you usually get told what gx is?
Gx is given in the question. Like these two functions are given in the question. Fx is this and gx is this. Okay? Is this clear?
Kind of.
Okay, so you just see this question and solve this one.
Could you do it on another slide? Because there's be more room.
Like you want me to upload, okay, on the next slide, right? Okay.
There's more room to answer the question.
Fx is equals to 4x minus 3. Gx equals to 13x. Calculate f gx.
Okay, so it would be 4x it be? Four x. Is that the first step?
4x. No. You just don't have to multiply it. The very beginning is, I told you, whatever inside this bracket that is equals to x. That means x is equals to gx. Is this clear? And gx is given as 13x. So
Oh,
right
so
now,
gx is wait. So wouldn't that mean 13x is equal to this?
no, wait. X is equals to gx, which means you have to put gx right there in place of x. So it will give you 4 multiplied by gx minus 3. Is this clear? Hello? 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 Hello?
Hello.
Yes, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. So I was saying whatever you see inside this small bracket that you have to put equals to x. So it will be x equals gx. And then you have to put gx in place of x. So it becomes 4 multiplied by gx minus 3. Is this clear? That's the first step you have to do. Now your
Yeah, that's
n.
what I did. No. Wait. That's what I did over here.
No.
Yeah,
You.
that's just 4x multiplied by gx, which is 13x
No.
minus
Not
3.
4x multiplied by gx. It's 4 multiplied by gx. You're multiplying x 2 times. You're putting x equals gx, right?
Wait, well, you could have just told me that instead of telling me I did the whole thing wrong.
Yeah, that I told you. But you are doing
No,
wrong.
no, you really didn't.
Yeah, that's why I told you you have to put gx, not x. Okay? So then gx is equals to 13x. So it will be 4 multiplied by 13x minus 3. Is this clear? Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Yes, is this clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Now solve this question.
Right now, what do I do?
Just
Multiply these.
yes, so it will give you finally the answer. That means 52x minus 3.
52x.
Yes. 30 multiplied by 4 is 52.
Oh, I thought it was 12.
Well, it's 52.
That's the final answer.
Yes, that's the final answer. Okay, now solve this question. I have uploaded the previous video. Question number 4. solve this one. The question 4. Hello. 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 Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Shut up, Mr. Fluff.
Okay. So let's solve question number 4.
Number 4.
Yes.
Okay. So it's going to be F H X means no. 5 times minus 5.
Yes. So ultimately it will be minus 25 over x minus 10. Okay.
Oh, well, you could have let me figure that out for myself, really, couldn't you?
No, like it's almost done. Only 5 multiplied 5 by that is minus 25. That's it. You don't have to solve it further.
Well, I don't really think you're helping me if you're giving me the answers before I've even solved the question.
No, no. I'm saying it's your final answer. You have solved it. This is the final answer.
I haven't solved it though.
No, this is your
You've just
final
given
answer.
me no, I haven't solved it. You've given me the final answer without me asking.
No, actually I
I'm
solved it.
literally only on the first step.
Okay, so how can you solve this further?
Well, no, I'll move on to the next question because you've just given me the answer for what? It's not very useful, is it? What, did I at least do the second one right?
Wait a minute, let me check this. Yeah, yeah, now solve it further.
Okay. Um, so you'd multiply both sides. No, would you multiply both sides by 5x?
No, no, you don't have to multiply it. Just from denominator take out 5 as common.
So it become so that would become x minus 10. Would that be the final answer?
No, 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 how can x minus 10 be the final answer? From the
Okay,
denominator take 5 as common.
so what if the 5s cancel? No, the 5s don't cancel each other out.
Yes.
They do.
So it will be 1 divided by.
So you're saying it's 1 divided by x minus 10.
X minus 2. See.
Oh, because you divide. Okay, I see.
Yes, and also negative in the denominator, like in numerator.
Oh, right, negative 1.
Yes, that's your final answer. Okay, same as solve the question number 5.
Fifth.
Question number 5.
One's that it goes up to 4. Or have you added it to the board?
Yes, I have uploaded the PDF. It has with the
Okay.
question.
Oh, let me just stop screen sharing. I can't see it.
In the next slide.
There's nothing. Oh, yeah, I can see it now. Oh, here. Okay, let me share the screen then. Okay, so actually.
Okay, it has ended. Hello. 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 Yes.
Yeah, sorry, it's not working.
Okay.
Okay, so this would become GHX, which means that Is that right?
Yes.
Okay. And then we simplify it. Um, 2 plus 2. So does the 2 and 2 cancel out? And we're
No, no,
left with
no.
minus 5.
See, it's 2x minus 3 is in bracket. Okay? Like 2 multiplied by 2x. This 2 minus 3 whole is in bracket. It's
So
inside the
you're
bracket.
saying this is in brackets and you multiply this.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So it's minus 2 and right?
Yes.
Okay. And then you've got minus 2, minus 1.
Yes.
And then what would you do?
Like this is the final answer.
Oh, that's the final answer.
Yeah.
Okay. And then for this one, it's the opposite way around, isn't it? So it's going to be 2 minus. No, 2 plus.
It's 2 multiplied by. Because in place of x you have to put minus 2 over 2x plus 5.
Multiplied by plus 5. Right? Would it
Yes.
be in brackets or not?
Yes. This whole should be inside the bracket.
Okay. Then you multiply 2 by this whole bracket.
Yes.
Okay. So that way you get minus 4 over 4x.
No, no, it's only 2x plus 5. Like you are multiplying 2 with the numerator only, right? 2 is only in numerator. There's nothing in denominator that you have to multiply.
2.
No,
Is that the final answer? No. Sorry, you got minus 3.
no, no, no. I'm saying in denominator, why you're multiplying 2?
Because you multiply 2 by the whole thing.
Yes, when you multiply a number by whole thing, it gets multiplied with the only numerator. See, if it's 2 multiplied by 3 over 4, so you multiply only 2 with 3, right? It's that.
Okay. So this is going to stay as 2x.
Yes.
5.
And outside, yeah, in the numerator you have to multiply 2.
And that becomes 4. And is it still minus 3? Or
Yes.
is the minus 3 over here?
No, 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 minus 3 remains there.
Then. Okay. And then. Is that your final answer? Yes or no?
No, you
No.
have
Do you
to,
multiply the whole thing by 5
no, no, you have to
to get
take
rid of
as,
it?
yes, you have to like make the denominator same because you're subtracting. You have to make the denominator same.
Okay. Well. Um, Can I make the denominator 3 over 18 minus 4 over 18?
No, 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 denominator is same. Denominator same, which means 2x plus 3, right? So you have to make the denominator of 3 also 2x plus 3. 5, sorry.
So it's minus 4, 2x plus 5 minus. So I'd multiply this by this.
Yes, multiply and divide because you
So I
have to make
get
the denominator
so I
same.
get 6x,
Yes. Yeah,
right?
yes, that's good.
Okay. And then that gives me um minus 6x minus 19. Yeah.
Yes. So it's,
Is that the final answer? Do I simplify it further?
no, you can't simplify it further. That's the final answer.
Okay.
Okay. So that's it. And you can take the screenshot of the rest of the questions that will be for homework. But these are for
Okay.
inverse. Okay. Question number 8. Take question number 8 and let
Yeah.
me see is there any other question or not. I need to go back and see. Okay, these are all inverse, so I'm just writing the questions. Okay, so I'm giving you some questions for homework.
Okay.
You have to calculate fgx and gfx. Same, okay, for this one.
Okay. Do you want me to do it now?
No, I'm just giving you for homework.
Okay.
Okay. So these two questions and one question, that one, the previous one, okay? These three questions you have to solve. That's for homework.
Okay.
Okay. And in the next class we'll do the inverse functions. But first practice these questions, then you'll be able to solve the inverse questions, okay?
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Sure.
Okay then. Thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.
You are